There are over 300 companies still reporting this week, and while that might not seem like much compared to the weeks we've had, there's a couple big names in here that you should be interested in, including a couple tech titans and a lot of big retailers. But which ones have the best charts? I brought them so that you can see who's beating nearly every quarter, because it's not easy to do. So let's get right to the action, and it's starting with the big tech titan Cisco. And as you can see, they haven't missed in the last 5 years. They're pretty steady Eddie here. Shares have been real choppy, but they're trading near the 5-year high. So this will be an interesting one to kind of see where Silicon Valley is standing here at the end of 2016. Our next company is one of the big retailers that has a great track record, L Brands, and they own Victoria's Secrets and Bed Bath & Body Works. They've had that hot pink line for a couple of years now, but people are kind of jittery over apparel. Sales seemed to slow a little bit earlier this year, and you had that big sell-off in the shares, but they keep beating. So if you want something that's really consistent, you should be definitely checking out L Brands this week. Our next one is the next big tech titan, Applied Materials. They have one miss back in 2013, but it's still a really impressive record. And shares, as you can see, have really jumped out to new highs. This is in the semiconductor and the display area, and this has been a hot area. So if you want to keep one of the big tech companies on your list for this week, this is also one, along with Cisco, you should be watching. And I brought a fourth company because this is one of my favorites, and it's Williams-Sonoma. They also have just the one miss earlier this year, but sales have been a little bit tight. Now, they aren't just Williams-Sonoma, they're also Pottery Barn and West Elm. West Elm has been super hot for them for several years, double-digit growth there. Can that maintain? We don't know. Pottery Barn's a little slacked off, and Williams-Sonoma has also slacked off. But this will be an interesting play going into this holiday season and to hear what they say. But just has the one miss, so it's been real consistent on the beat. These are some of the best charts this week, and it's not easy to beat every quarter or even just to have the one miss. Not many companies can do it. So definitely keep these in mind. Some of my colleagues here will also be covering a lot of these. If you want to know the earnings previews, check those out with Eric Dutram. He's covering those, as well as Dave Bartosiak's Zacks Live Trader. He'll cover some of the options plays on some of these. Be sure to tune in on YouTube or on Zacks.com. I'll see you next time.